Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Now see students, how you are going to change the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns change their forms when written in the passive voice. See here, I had made the table. In first column I had written active, and in the second column I had written passive. Now in the active you see the subject will be I, we, he, she, they. Now see, I, we, he, she, they. These are the subject in the active voice. Now when we are going to change in the passive voice, I will change to me, we will change to us, he will change to him, she, her, they, them. Students, you should understood this carefully, learn also, then only you can write the passive voice correctly. Now students, I am going to explain you present continuous tense. Now first example, the boys are playing cricket on the ground. First student, divide the sentence. Divide means, now see, the boys subject, are helping verb, playing verb, main verb, object cricket, on the ground, other information also you can say, or you can say extra information. Now how you are going to change? Here first of all object will become subject and subject is going to become object. So here object is cricket. So make it subject. Cricket. Singular is. Now students, you have to add one more word. Cricket is being. B-E-I-N-G. Being. And see, first only I had explained you that main verb will be in the third form, that is P-L-A-Y-E-D. Cricket is being played by the boys on the ground. Now see students, write down rule number 2. Subject singular plus is plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus object plus other information. When subject is plural, subject plural plus are plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus object plus other information. Now see students, second example. So use the rule, or you can learn the rule, or you can understand, then your active passive voice will be very easy. Now second example, see, she is writing the poem in the notebook. So again divide the sentence. She subject, is helping verb, writing main verb, the poem object, in the notebook other information. So here object is poem, so the poem is going to become subject and she is going to become object. The poem is being written, W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written by, you are not going to write down she, instead of she you are going to write down her. The poem is being written by her in the notebook. See the third example. He is eating an apple. He is subject, is helping verb, eating main verb, an apple object. Now how you are going to change? An apple is being eaten by him. Now you had seen the students, the main verb is always in the third form. Main verb is always in the third form. Now see students, we are going to learn present perfect tense. Here also rule number 3 first write down. Subject singular plus has plus been, B-E-E-N, been plus third form of verb plus by plus object plus other information. And when subject is plural, subject plural plus have plus been plus third form of verb plus by plus object plus other information. And students, see, when the subject is I is singular, but you had to write down subject I plus have plus been plus third form of verb plus by plus object plus other information. See, with the example I will make you more clear. Number 1, they have liked her performance. See students, first always divide the sentence. Divide means you had to write down, see, they, you write S means subject, then have helping verb, liked main verb, her performance is the object. Now her performance is going to become subject. When her performance is going to become subject, H will be capital. Her performance has been liked by, they will become them. They will become them. So you are going to write down by them. Her performance has been liked by them. Number 2, she has studied biology. She subject, has helping verb, studied main verb, and biology is object. Now when biology is going to become subject, B will become capital. Biology has been studied by her. She will become her. So this way students, be careful by changing the personal pronoun. You should remember she will become her and they will become them. Now see the third example. He has washed his clothes. He is subject, has helping verb, washed main verb, his clothes object. Now when you are going to change object to subject, H will become capital. His clothes have been washed by him. His clothes have been washed by him. Clear students? So here I had completed the 3 tense, that is the simple present tense, present continuous tense, present continuous tense. And see students, perfect continuous tense does not have passive form. So here we are going to learn only the 3, that is the simple, continuous and perfect tense.